Imagine creating an environment where your customers feel valued and actively contribute to your business's growth. This is where the magic of crowdsourcing comes into play. Crowdsourcing isn't just about generating new and innovative ideas. It's also about fostering a deeper sense of community and engagement amongst your participants. By inviting your customers and fans to join the innovation process, you can build stronger relationships and create a loyal customer base. Let me give you a simple example to illustrate this concept. Think about a small coffee shop that decides to involve its loyal customers in creating a new drink recipe. They launch a campaign inviting suggestions and ideas. The most popular suggestions are featured on the menu, and the creators are recognized on social media. This initiative does more than just bring exciting new flavors to the shop. It strengthens the bond between the business and its customers, making them feel valued and part of the brand's journey. Here are 3 key takeaways from this approach. Number 1, generate fresh ideas. Crowdsourcing taps into your customer base's creativity and diverse perspectives, leading to innovative products and services. Number 2, foster community engagement. By involving your customers in decision-making, you create a sense of belonging and community. And number 3, build customer loyalty. Recognizing and appreciating of customers' contributions enhance loyalty, turning customers into enthusiastic brand advocates. To back this up, Jeff Howie, in the book Crowdsourcing, Why the Power of the Crowd is Driving the Future of Business, emphasizes the power of collective creativity. Additionally, a Forbes article highlights how Starbucks effectively used crowdsourcing through My Starbucks Idea platform and engages customers to drive innovation. By leveraging the power of crowdsourcing, you can innovate and build loyal and engaging communities that support your business. So next time you're thinking for fresh ideas, remember to reach out to your customers. They may just have the perfect solution that you've been searching for.